Hello everyone, this is Audrey and today we're going to make mac and cheese on the Ninja Foodi and show you how easy it is. So first step here, we're going to show you the ingredients and then we'll show you the process of the pressure cooker. We have butter, we have cheese, a cup and a half, we have some pepper, we have some heavy whip, we have a little bit of broth which we're going to add to the water when we steam it. There's 3 cups of water. We have 1 serving of pasta. I meant to use elbow pasta, but the store is out because of they just don't have any. And then we have garlic powder, and we also have some green onion that I've already chopped up. So first thing, Audrey is going to take the cup of water and pour it into the pressure cooker, like so. Excellent. And then she's going to take the broth and put that into the pressure cooker as well. Excellent. And now she's going to grab the mac and cheese and pour all that in.